In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the animation speed of any element in ClickFunnels. First, open your page in the ClickFunnels page editor. Once you're in, click the element you want to animate. That could be a headline, an image, a button, anything you want to draw attention to. Clicking the element opens its settings panel on the right, which is where you'll make all your animation adjustments. Next, head into the Advanced tab, then open the Animation section. This is your control center for how the element appears and behaves on the page. Start with Style, where you choose the type of animation. Options like Fade, Slide, or Bounce. Each set a different tone. Fade is subtle and professional, Slide can highlight movement from a direction, and Bounce adds a playful feel. Pick a style that matches your brand and the moment you want to create. Now decide when that animation should start using Trigger. On Load means it plays as soon as the page or section appears. On Scroll waits until the element enters the viewport. Use On Load for above-the-fold content that should appear right away, and on Scroll for elements further down the page to maintain focus and performance. Let's adjust Duration, which controls how long the animation takes. A larger number makes the animation slower and more gradual. A smaller number makes it snappier and faster. Think of this as the pace of the motion, short for quick emphasis, longer for a smoother, more cinematic reveal. Delay adds a pause before the animation begins. This is helpful when coordinating multiple elements so they don't all animate at once. For example, delay a subheading slightly after a headline to create a simple staggered sequence. Timing function shapes how the motion accelerates and decelerates. Linear moves at a constant rate, while ease in starts slow and speeds up, and ease out starts faster and slows down near the end. Ease in out is a balanced, natural choice for many elements. Choose what feels right for the style you're going for. Finally, Play Direction lets you control direction and looping. Normal runs forward, reverse plays it back, and alternating directions can create a back-and-forth effect. Use looping sparingly. Constant motion can distract from your message. As you tweak these settings, watch the element preview to see how the changes feel. Test on desktop and mobile to ensure the speed and timing feel consistent and intentional. Keep animations purposeful, and your page will look polished and professional.